Hi, I'm Scott Strickland, and today I'm going to teach you how to program your favorite treatment protocols on a Richmar CM4 EVO unit. We're going to start by turning the unit on, and you'll notice when we do, the blinking LED lights by the profile letters and also by the waveforms. This lets you know that you're in easy profile mode. So the first step for programming, what we're going to do is an interferential treatment today in high range, which is a typical treatment for acute pain. So you press the profile A button twice. You select IFC, you adjust the time with the plus and minus arrow, so we're going to go to 12 minutes. We're going to set our beat frequency on the left using the plus and minus arrow to 80, and we're going to set our beat frequency on the right to 150 using the knob at the bottom of the machine. Once you have it set to where you want, press the pulse rate button again so that it displays the time. At this point, you can turn the intensity up using the knob at the bottom. Doesn't matter what you turn it up to. I usually just turn it up to about 10. Now we're going to press the start button and hold it down until we hear 3 trill beeps. Once that's done, press stop. And then we can go in and press A. You can see it's set at 12 minutes now, 80 to 150, so our program is saved. So all you have to do to treat is press A, turn up your intensity, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. You can repeat those steps for B, C, and D with any of the waveforms on the unit that you'd like. If you're in need of a combination unit, please visit our website at healthyuweb.com or give us a call today.